We've been hearing quite a lot about Boeing lately.
About their 100th anniversary this year.
100 years is a long time.
Lots of product built over 100 years.
Lots of aircraft.
Lots of tough competition in the aerospace marketplace.
A lot of history.
That got us at Airbus Group thinking.
We at Airbus compete hard against Boeing.
Day in and day out.
Fighting for every order.
Working tirelessly to connect and protect people around the globe.
Innovating every day.
Since we do all of those things in competition with Boeing,
what would we have to say about the Boeing company?
What would we tell our competitors as they make a big deal about their 100th year in business?
We at Airbus think the answer is obvious.
All 150,000 Airbus Group people have just one thing to say to Boeing.
One thing.
Congratulations.
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 Congrats.
Congrats.
Happy 100th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Congratulations on the centennial.
Muchas felicidades, Boeing.
Alles Gute.
Boeing, お誕生日おめでとうございます。
Alles Gute, viel Glück.
恭贺波音100年。
生日快乐。
Happy birthday, Boeing.
Feliz aniversario.
Happy centennial, Boeing.
Congratulations, Boeing. Here's to what lies ahead.
Here's to a healthy competition in the next 100 years.
Here's to the future.
From all of us to all of you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Happy birthday, Boeing. And thank you for the competition that makes us all better.
Wow.